Hey guys, I'm actually right outside of my loctician's home, getting ready to get my hair retightened, and I thought, let me show you all what my hair looks like with 2 years and 3 months in right before getting my hair retightened. It's been 6 weeks since I've gotten my hair retightened. Excuse me guys, my eyes are watering so bad. But it's been 6 weeks since I've got my hair retightened, and getting up close, these are my edges. All of these edges have always come out by the time we are 6 weeks post-op, really probably around week 4 or 5. But all of these will be back inside the locks after my retightening. As far as my scalp and my new growth, if you can see, here we go. Let me also, as you can see, I'm kind of struggling to get through and make a part because the hair starts to get a little tangled at the roots. As the hairs come out, they sometimes sort of marry, which is why it's important to kind of just take your fingers and run your hair through your locks occasionally. Let me grab one. See, there's another one that was kind of, but here we go. So what I'm going to do is, excuse me, and all these tears. I'm going to come back and show you all what it looks like post retightening again. Give you one more look, as you can see, getting in there. All right, I will see you all. Look how crazy I look when I get back. All right, guys, so I wanted to give you what it looks like immediately after getting my hair retightening. No change, no nothing. As you can see, my part was on this side, but it's here because that's where she ended after she got done retightening my hair. So when you get your hair retightened, if you've never had locks before, where your part is may not be where your part ends. Sometimes they end in the middle, they may end on the same side, but let's get into it. So as you can see, the grid is back popping, all that new growth. And look at those edges I was telling you all about earlier. See, remember all that fluff that was there? Now this little piece, it's too small to put inside of anything, but as you can see, all of my edges have been included back inside the lock. And we actually had one little hair right here that was combined because it just kept having a good old hard time. And we'll get to more of that later. So I'm going to put my hair back on my preferred side. So you see, very easy. So yes, and guys, it feels so clean. Getting a little closer and showing you here, as you can see before, where it may have been frizzier, you can actually see those rolls a lot easier. I said I have Microlocs, but like similar to Sisterlocks, my hair is in even rolls as far as my grid. So if I'm doing a style, it makes it very easy to part a precise style. I look so crazy, guys. Look at me. So yes, this is a quick video. If you've not liked and subscribed, I would love for you to do so and join me on my journey of Microlocs and more. And I just wanted to show you all a updated version of what my hair looks like before and after retightening. And hold on. So I'm distracted. So I will see you all later and have a great day.